Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame, so we did see some follow through from that bullish reversal candlestick from last week. We ended up closing the day with some indecision, so not a clear bullish reversal confirmation combined with the 10-day moving average resistance. It's still up in the air whether the bulls are going to see a bounce here that is significant. We do have this little gap to fill at 98.33. And then that major 100-day moving average resistance up at 99.52. What I would expect here after the bullish break is what I call an equilibrium pattern to be reached, where we find our low, we set our lower high, then a higher low tightening pattern until we get a break that is clear for the bears or the bulls. So 10-day moving average resistance, we'll need to keep an update on that level. It's going to continue ascending for about another 2 days, and I can know that by counting back 10 days and seeing that each day that passes eliminates a day back here of lower prices, and once the higher prices get factored in, it will begin to leveling out. So if we cannot get over this 10-day moving average resistance, we're looking down at the low of today as support. That level is 97.45, and then the low of the week, 96.63. The weekly chart for Apple, rejecting from that 10-week moving average 2 weeks in a row. That's at 115, and it will be below 100 next week. That middle Bollinger Band is also there at 99.55. So this is a bearish reversal candlestick that is negating a bullish MACD cross that was very close to occurring. If we see another red week next week, we will be looking down, ideally to set a higher low. $93 and $92 has been strong support in the past on the weekly time frame. And this is another one where we're looking for that equilibrium, where we hit a breakdown. There's our high on the bounce, anticipating a higher low and then a lower high tightening range. You'll see that pattern play out time and time again on the 5-minute, daily, weekly, all kinds of time frames. And it's very interesting. This is a really good example where we see it potentially setting up on the daily chart after a bullish break and setting up on the weekly chart after a bearish break. So in different directions, depending on which time frame you're looking at, and we'll see if those patterns play out. I will keep tracking and keep bringing up those equilibrium patterns as they continue to shape up. So I appreciate you watching and hope you have a good weekend. I will see you on Monday. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.